Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you my room and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that's in my room is a hallway that you are seeing right now. And when you come into the hallway, I'm going to show a clip of it so you know. So basically there's a mini hallway here. So basically I have this frame right here that's like a Paris kind of frame. And also I want to show you my closet that's behind you right now. And I'm going to show you my closet. I have to organize it, but bear with me, it has so many things in it. But I'm going to show you what my closet looks like. Okay, so next, when you walk in my room, there's the view. I'm gonna put a clip of my room, my whole room. But when you walk in my room, there's the hall that I talked about. And then at the end of the hall, on the left, there are little stands, thingies. I don't know what this is called, but I have this that I am not sure where I got it. But okay, so then besides the little thingies right here, I have my TV. It's very small. It looks, I don't know if it looks big, but it's very small. I rarely use it, but when I use it, it has Netflix, and yeah, I love that. So I have a stand right there that it has kind of little holes that you can put things in it, and it's like a storage drawer thing. Okay, so then when you keep on going, I have my whole mirror here. Right here you can see myself, and as you can see I have the lights behind that. I'm sorry if they're blinding you. As you can see, then I have my little vanity that I have my makeup and where I do my makeup. So then in this corner right here, I have my Alex 9 drawer, I think it's called. I got this so long ago. I got this like in 2015 to store my makeup, and I store all of my makeup here. And I just have a little lamp and some stuff in the back here. Okay, so next I have my desk right here. This desk, I got it from a local store in Panama, so I'm sorry. I am gonna try to find a kind of similar desk from Amazon that you can get. And basically this is where I sit and do things. Basically I just paint here, design here, edit here. I do everything like that. So I'm gonna try to find everything that I can in Amazon, and I'm gonna put links to everything down below. If you do want to support me and press those links, I would really appreciate it, and buy the items, because the Amazon links will be affiliate links. So basically this is where I film also my videos, some of my videos. I have, I think, 5 to 6 videos sitting right here in my desk, and I really like to film here. So as you can see, I am showing you here that I have a painting that I'm also gonna link on Amazon down below, because these paintings, I just love them. It comes with a picture, and the picture has kind of numbers that you can follow, so you can paint wherever the color is. I really like to paint on these. They are very easy. Some are harder than others, but you can find a lot of them, and they are not expensive at all. Okay, so back here I have a chair, and I really like to sit here with my coffee in the mornings, or to do stuff, or to edit, or design, or do a lot of things. The chair is very comfy. Behind the chair I have shelves that I just kind of put random things on it. So mostly this is my kind of space where I relax. Behind me there are windows, so many windows in my room. This is a stadium. Okay, so next I have my bed. And as you can see right here, I have some LED lights that I'm also gonna link on the description from Amazon, so you can buy them. They are so good. They come with a little remote that you can change the colors. Okay. So you can change it as many times as you want, and you can also put like flashing lights and so many things more. Okay, so basically this is my bed where I sleep. Right up on there, there's a air conditioner because here in Panama is so hot and so humid, so an air conditioner is key. Okay, and lastly, I have my bathroom in the back here. Okay guys, so basically that is my room. This is a little video that I wanted to show you so you can get inspiration, or if you just like these kinds of videos, because I love them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more content. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure you stay tuned for that and press the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Bye guys!